This is a walkthrough preview of the best way to show 1105 Bouldercrest. I will likely have the super box attached to the rails. It's easy to point out that we changed the roof line there and add a porch to add some flair to the front of the home. Also, it would be good to paint the brick, and if you do so, you can easily brick this carport in and add a bedroom or make it the official master. I can't say how many square feet, 700 square feet maybe, right here that you can add to the home. And if you paint the brick, it would be uniform across the front. Again, I'm just giving ideas in the event your person wants to do some remodeling and renovations. The comps should show at or over 400,000 for the square footage once renovated. This house sold in less than a week for I think 309. It's less than 1,500 square feet, only 2 bedrooms. That house right there. The key, I'm walking this way, is to this door. If this is a homeowner looking for light renovations, it's probably still better to bring them through the front door because the home is occupied and this would be what they walk into. So you can open that door and just let your people in through the front door. That would be great. It might show better. These are original hardwoods. These owners have taken great care of the home. I've talked to a contractor already, and again, just showing you some ideas of what you could show your clients. This wall here, you can open it up. There are steps to an attic, walk-up attic in that door. This wall here, open it up. Already has new windows. Renovate the fireplace. Also, opening this wall up and adding the kitchen, the sink overlooking that window, to the backyard. And if you redo that room right there, you can have a deck off the back. That would be nice. So again, opening this up. If you do that and add a 3rd bedroom there, you can open this wall as well and have a den or keeping room off of your kitchen. If they needed to keep it as a 3-bedroom without adding on to the upstairs or a carport, this would be your 3rd bedroom. Another quick renovation idea is to close this wall in and have this or variation of this be the entry to the master. Close this wall in, open that bathroom up, and you would have space where the hallway is to make this whole bathroom bigger. And maybe put the sink, double vanity, on that wall. This is gone. This is your master. Still with 2 closets. All right, another idea, don't know how much it costs though, would be to move the bathroom that's on the other side of this wall to this closet and reverse where the closet is. Also, I'll show you downstairs real quick. Some people have thought about buying this and living upstairs, turning downstairs into an apartment. I'll show you that real quick. All right, so real quick, the last thing for when you're showing, if you want to make this a kitchenette, you would have a separate entry for an apartment. Bedroom number 2 or 1, bedroom number 2, bathroom, and then den area. They would put the refrigerator here in this space, and all of this would be the kitchenette for either a mother-in-law suite or if they're renting the basement. Any other questions, let me know. Hopefully I've explained everything in these emails, and thank you very much. Good luck.